Today's main character is the iPhone 14 Pro, specially sent by a local fan. As soon as the fan entered, they expressed their frustrations. They mentioned that this phone has been used for over 2 years. Now, the battery truly has issues. In fact, the battery of the 14 series is nearing the peak replacement period. This phone's battery efficiency is only at 76%. This leads to throttling and lag. It's quite bothersome. No wonder the fan couldn't stand it. But don't worry. For this situation, a solution involving a 3570 mAh high-capacity battery cell has been arranged. This increases the original capacity by a full 370 mAh. After the replacement, the battery life greatly improves. No more worrying about low battery. Next, please enjoy the immersive process of our precise battery cell transplant. Every step reflects our professionalism and focus. If your iPhone is also experiencing battery issues, don't hesitate. Click the group purchase link at the bottom left of the video. After placing the next order, you can go directly to the nearest store for replacement and repair. There are over 2,400 stores nationwide. No matter where you are, you can enjoy the same repair techniques shown in the video. Face-to-face repairs allow you to experience the meticulous repair service up close. Rest assured, it's safe and reliable. Good. Yes. Really, yes. Yes, silly. Right. Complaining. Yes. Preparing, yes. Buzzing. Silly. Yes, it's you. Really love. You.